Hello everyone, I have an exciting new community here in Hoschton, Georgia. Yes, I said Hoschton. You'll find that Hoschton is a beautiful place for families. The schools in this area are some of the best, and it's a small town. It's a small developing town. As you can see, the sign behind me, Tribute, which is built by Rocklyn, one of my favorite builders. They're coming at you with a beautiful community. It's going to be a big development here in Hoschton, and I'm one of the first agents to bring it to you. They have a couple units standing and nothing has sold yet. I always say getting into new construction as early as possible is the best way to go, with nothing but upside in the future. This community is going to have 404 townhomes, and I want to sell the first few. And of course, they're running a great deal, 4.99% interest rate and $22,000 in seller's concessions. I'm going to read this off to you. The community is going to have a swimming pool, clubhouse, pickleball, playground, putting green, dog park, fire pit, and I hear the clubhouse is going to have a fitness center inside as well. So it's going to be a great community. Like I said, 404 new construction townhomes available in Hoschton, Georgia. These homes are starting in the mid 300,000. So if you're looking for a new construction home, maybe it's your first home and you want to start off with a townhome, reach out to me. I would love to show you these homes. I'm going to show you one of the floor plans. Keep in mind the property isn't complete, but I just wanted you to get a sneak peek. If you're watching this and thinking about new construction, make sure you have representation before you go to the model home. Once you register yourself, you usually can't add an agent later. So if you want someone to help you compare builders, incentives, and protect your interests, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My information is on the screen and in my bio.